di ba may mga ganong moments kayo? Yung break up na puta, yung akala mo mamamatay ka.
Yes, of course.
Yun yung first ko. Yun yung first.
Yes, yung binabantayan ka ng nanay mo kasi di niya alam kung ano bang gagawin ng anak mo.
Nakasampung yosi ka sa may bintana. Gagi, oh!
Yun.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the Bear Tall Podcast. So iba ang setting natin today. Nangangapit bahay tayo today. We have here, oh my gosh, kasama to sa top 5 na gusto ko talagang makakolab. I'm so happy I'm finally here and kakolab ko na sila. We have the Lecheng Pag-ibig duo. We have Sam YG and DJ Chacha.
Hey!
Kinikilig talaga ako
Hello,
pag sinasabi
guys.
niya yung nasa top 5 tayo.
Promise talaga.
We
May
made
dream
it.
ka.
We made it,
To the list,
girl.
Parang nauna kayo. OGs nga kayo.
Hindi,
We
pero
made it,
kasi
man.
dami ring nakikinig dito eh.
Ang dami talaga. And I feel kasi, yung, sabi ko nga kanina, nung nag-start, bago tayo mag-start, na yung topic nyo talaga is sobrang fit sa Bear It All. Kasi, pag love ang pinag-uusapan sa Bear It All, para medyo nakakagulo eh.
Magulo talaga. Kasi lahat ng tao, iba-iba yung take dyan eh.
Yes. Ibang perspective ang
True.
parang gusto kong i-tackle natin. So, I think one, though, is, can you share with me one of your favorites Lecheng Pag-ibig episodes and why?
Oh my.
Sa tagal nyo na.
Oh my
Kasi,
gosh.
ito yung
We're
reason.
over 300 episodes na kami.
Reason kasi hindi nyo nakalimutan yung,
yeah.
yung
Oo.
number one. Kahit anong reason. Kunyari, di nyo bet yung guest,
Uh-huh.
or na-invest kayo sa stories, or ano ba?
I think one of the best episodes that easily would come to my mind, yung kay Tuesday Vargas.
Oh yeah. Oo, grabe yun.
When she opened up about her depression.
Oh my God.
And we all kasi see Tuesday, I've worked with her so many times, laging masayang tao, bibo, and nagulat ako nung kunento niya nag-collapse siya, nag-breakdown, as in na-hospital siya, ganun kalala. And it came to the point na she was giving so much to other people that she forgot about herself.
Yes.
Which really happened. So, alam ko medyo seryoso, pero doon ako medyo parang, oh, shit.
Tsaka nakaka-relate.
Oo.
No? Makaka-relate ka dun eh. Lalo na ikaw, you work so hard also. I'm
Correct.
pretty sure there are times you feel that way.
Yeah, yun nga, kinikwento ko sa'yo, diba? Minsan na parang you wake up sometimes and you're already tired, you haven't even started the day, and you wonder why, and then you realize everything we do is about energy.
Yeah.
You give so much of your energy and minsan talagang ubos ka and wala ka na mabigay.
Yes,
you
di ka
have-
maka-recharge.
Oo,
Kailangan
kailangan mo rin talaga mag-recharge. Kaya nga resolution ngayon this year, talagang more of work-life balance, which we were talking about off-cam also, diba?
Ang gandang
Work-life
New Year's
balance, pasa mo
resolution.
sa amin yung mga racket. Yung pagkadami-dami, araw-araw ka nag-host. Yung,
Bumigay ka naman.
yung 200K per day ni Sam.
Oh my God.
Okay na po ako 50K. Minsan nga, pakapi lang. Char.
My God. Oh.
Ako, dalawa. Posting Zero era.
Okay.
Favorite ko yun.
Yes.
It's a topic about there's a study na parang tayo daw, papunta na nga tayo sa Posting Zero era. You can search for it, guys. And then another one is yung last na umiyak ako ng bongga. Kasi-
Naalala ko niya, I was gonna put that as one of the favorite episodes.
Ano
Dahil-
yun? What was it about?
When we started doing kasi this podcast, sinasabi ko lagi kay Sam, I'm very excited always to record kasi parang ito yung safe space ko. I can say whatever I wanna say. I
Agree.
can be vulnerable. Hindi ko in-expect na iiyak ako kasi ako namang nagpapakitang
Yes,
umiiyak ako.
ako din pag
Pero
umiiyak
dito
ako,
sa podcast na
naiiyak
to,
ako
punyeta, yung sa podcast namin, lagi
hindi
ka
ko na
naiiyak.
mabilang,
girl. Hormones yata. Perimenopausal na ba to? Hindi ko alam. Pero yun, hindi, natakot ako at first i-share kung ano yung pinagdadaanan ko last year. Kasi nagkaroon ako ng online consultation with a psychologist, ganyan, dahil medyo mabigat yung 2025
Yeah.
for me. But medyo mas okay na ako ngayon, guys. Mas okay na ako ngayon. So, siguro yun, kasi before natatakot ako i-share kung ano yung nafe-feel ko talaga.
Or parang I think
because
for
of
you,
our podcast, parang yun nga, papi.
maybe
Alam mo
it's
yung
also you
parang,
wanna look at us, people, you still want people to look at you at a certain way.
na gusto ko laging happy.
Or hindi ka vulnerable.
Yun.
It's always hard to show anybody,
Yeah.
especially a stranger, your vulnerable
Yeah.
side. Diba? Family and friends, medyo okay lang.
Yes.
Diba?
Pero ito na hindi natin alam kung sino yung nanonood or nakikinig. Natatakot pa rin tayo ma-judge.
Kasi number one, di mo
diba?
alam kung pinakikinggan ko o gina-judge ka eh.
Yun
Oo,
nga. So, siguro yun yung pinaka-favorite ko. Kasi after that episode, sobrang ano naman ako, all out na ako kay Sam. Pero mas all out pa ako kay Sam after that and sa mga listeners na.
Oh, parang nag-open siya ng ibang...
Mas nag-open pa. Open ka na. Umopen
Oo.
ka pa.
Oo,
Todo
ibang
pa.
dimension na yung in-open mo.
Kumbaga, yun yung bumay-back namin.
Oo.
Yun yung
Bumay
bumay-back
back.
moment.
Correct.
Oo.
I love that.
Kung ano yung bumay-back dun sa podcast namin, malalaman
Para mag-gets nyo.
Oo.
Bayback moment.
Pakipanood po yung episode namin sa Lecheng Pag-ibig. Medyo nag-overshare ako doon.
Kailan ka bumibak?
Hindi ako nag-overshare sa podcast ko, pero sa podcast nila medyo overshare ako doon. Okay, so bilang Lecheng Pag-ibig to, meron ba kayong ever moment? I'm sure, meron kayong moment.
Lahat meron tayo yan.
Lahat.
Naku po.
I'm
Naku po.
sure. Okay, na-share ko na ito sa podcast nila. But ito, ano yung pinaka-lecheng pag-ibig yung moment? Don't have to name names ha, pero yung masabi niya, number one, ba't ko to ginawa? Bakit ko to, leche, ba't ko to ginawa? Yon. Ano yung,
Lalaki na yung mata niya. Oh.
Hindi, ako kasi.
Ako alam ko na to. Gusto ko marinig ulit. Go, Papi.
Sa youth ko, ang dami kong katarantaduhan.
Yung pinaka.
Dami.
Yung
dami.
malala.
Alam mo yung parang,
gusto ko yung moment at saka yung na-realize mo na, okay,
okay
mali
nga lang
ako
kahit
doon.
sabihin yung pangalan. Oh, tapang! Tapang! Dami, tapang! Oh. Hindi, joke lang. Sabihin ko sino.
Magbibigay sana ako ng clue eh. Go na, wag na. Okay, go.
Pinaka-leche. Oh man. Ang dami, hindi ko ma-pinpoint. Mauna ka na
Gwapo kasi
dito.
talaga yung
Okay,
Papi.
sige.
Hindi, mauna ka na
Kasi
dito.
sa sobrang daming binabae, Papi.
Hindi rin.
Oo,
Pero
hindi.
una talaga yung breakup mo talaga at your first breakup would be a very hard breakup.
So that's
Yes.
yours. That is yours.
Yun ang una lagi mabalik eh.
pinaka-leche.
Kasi at that point, wala ka pa alam kung may lalove pa sa'yo. Parang feeling mo napaka-worthless mo. Pero mamaya mag-isip ako mas malalim pa dun.
Sa akin, ano pa rin, first major heartache. College days, 3 years kayo, tas putya, may isa pang jowa, 2 years sila. Tas nalaman mo na lang nung pag-graduate ka na.
Oh
Yung
my
ganong
God.
level, girl. Oo. Kulang na lang kasal sa amin nun eh. Nung
Oh,
lalaki
paano
na
mo
yun.
nalaman?
Like, akala ko talaga, uy, ito na yun. Ito na talaga yung pakakasalan ko.
How did you
ganyan.
find out?
Eh di, chismis ng mga schoolmates. Hindi ako naniniwala.
3 years
Kasi
na hindi umabot sa'yo yung chismis?
May mga naririnig ako, pero until,
Pero love is blind.
hindi Facebook. Friendster days.
Nahuli
Inabot
mo
mo
na.
ba, Dan?
Oo
Bagets
naman.
pa to eh.
Nagpa-testy ka.
nahuli ko naman ang
Nagpa-testy ka.
Friendster.
Nagpa-testy ka
Friendster
naman.
days, may sinend sa akin na profile, yung classmate ko, na may nag-upload ng picture, katabi niya. Parang, pareho silang tourism yung course. So, may, sila, out of town, ganyan. Ayun, magkatabi sila. So,
2 years
confirm.
na yun na sila.
Tas 3 years kami. Sabay. Same building, different college. I mean, di ba, kung College of Arts and Science.
You never
Yun nga sabi ko,
cross
parang
paths.
3 years. Magaling si Guy.
Bakit?
Magaling si Guy.
No. Can I just say, hindi lang magaling. Yung girl din kasi pumayag. Maging number
So,
alam ni girl.
Ay, matindi.
I don't respect the kabets, but alam mo yun. Pero may mga kabets na they know their role.
So, alam mo, gusto ko namang wag na magalit sa kanya.
Tama ba?
For etiquette.
Oh, for etiquette. Yun, for etiquette.
Paano
That's
bang
what it's
etiquette?
called.
May etiquette ba ang kabit?
Oh, may kabit etiquette na.
Paano?
Alam niyo ba? Ay, nako, hindi mo nakita sa EDSA yung parang, we were, Boys Night Days man.
Oh.
Grabe, yung uso pa yung mga vanity plate numbers.
Oo.
May isa talaga kami na Ford na Explorer. Talagang
Oh.
black. Ako ang kabit. Yun yung plate
Ay,
number
no
niya.
way.
Oh my God. Oo. Nasa akin pa yung picture. I'll look for it. I'll look for the photo.
That's insane.
Sabi ko, boys,
Kasi
tignan niyo
usually
to.
pag ganyan
Ginawa niyang
tatago.
personality. Ginawa niyang branding.
Meron talaga kabit and proud. May mga ganon.
So ito, hindi
Ito si
ko
Girlie,
sure
malamang
kung kabit
ganun.
and proud. So, ito
Baka
yung...
siya yun.
Baka.
Hindi, ito
Kunti.
talaga yung lecheng pag-ibig to. Kasi parang, di ba may mga ganong moments kayo? Yung break up na puta, yung akala mo mamamatay ka.
Yes, of course.
Yun yung
Bina-
first
Ako
ko. Yun yung first.
Yes,
Yun yung
yung
first
binabantayan ka ng nanay mo kasi di niya alam kung ano bang gagawin ng anak ko.
Yes.
Nakasampung yosi ka sa may bintana. Gagi, oh!
Yun yun.
Si
Yun
Tony
yung
Tones pa kasama.
moment na yun. And then, nakita ko, yung ex ko na yun na nanloko. Meron ako event sa Dubai.
Hala, nakita mo ba
Years ago, mga 10 years or 8 years ago, nakita ko siya. Alam
By
mo,
chance
akala ko, oo,
Nag-hi ka?
nag-work siya dun sa hotel kung saan kami nakacheck.
Love it.
Nakakaloka.
I love it.
How was that meeting? Paano yun?
I love
And that
it.
was the first meeting, di ba? Nag-break kami.
Yes.
Tapos naging sila. Nagkatuluyan sila.
Oh,
Nag-message pa yung babae sa akin dahil ini-invite ako sa kasal nila.
ang tindi ni
Are you
girl.
serious?
Alam mo, ang tindi ni
Nakwento
girl.
ko na yan. Yun yung mga first episode
Episodes
siguro
natin.
natin,
Ang tindi naman ng
2020.
girl. Inimbita ka pa?
So, yung wala na yung galit mo, tapos bumalik. Dahil in-invite ka sa
Yes.
kasal.
Parang gusto pa isampal
Oh,
sa
sampal
mukha
nyo
mo,
nga.
di ba?
Eto sa'yo.
So, wala na akong galit, di ba? Kasi may bago na akong jowa. Tapos, nung time na nakita ko siya dun sa Dubai, may bago na rin siyang jowa. hindi ko alam na doon siya nag-work. Kasi pali ko ba naman, wala naman akong pakina. Alam ko lang na nasa Dubai siya.
Pero nag-usap kayo na.
Punta kami sa elevator.
Ay,
Ganda.
nako, elevator
Movie.
pa. Stuck ka doon.
Movie.
Wala ka magagawa.
Movie!
And then, nag-hello lang siya. Uy, anong ginagawa mo dito? Ganun lang. Pero alam kong alam na niya.
Siyempre,
Nandun na.
Pupunta kami. Kasi it's a big
syempre.
ABS-CBN event.
Yes.
Tsaka if you date somebody from a hotel, sabi nila,
Anong date sa... Uy! Oo.
back to you, Danny! Sabi nila, alam na, alam
yan.
nyo!
Wow, okay.
Yan ang lecheng pag-ibig. Toko. Ikaw.
Like I said, the first breakup, parang yun nga, hindi mo alam saan pupulutin sarili mo. Kasi you don't know how, you know why, inanalyze ko yun eh. You don't know how a breakup feels. Kaya the first always...
Don't know.
You don't know. Gago. You don't know how
Parang
it
pakanta
feels.
na sa'yo. Okay.
Kasi, ano siya eh, parang it's a new emotion, a new feeling for you. Kaya tayo lost na lost pag first breakup na. That's why you always remember the first love. Not just the first good and the first bad.
Yes.
You always remember that. Kasi it's a new emotion, new feeling for you.
Yes.
And that's why even, let's say, with our current partners now, if somebody asks you, oh, naalala mo yung first kiss mo? Yes, you'd remember.
Yeah.
Kasi yun yung unang peak ng kilig yan eh. Di ba? Build up, build up, build
First
up.
time mo naka-feel ng
Correct.
kilig.
Correct. You'd remember that kasi it's a new
Feeling.
feeling sa
Agree.
sa system mo. So, aside from that, lecheng pag-ibig.
Kwento mo na. Huwag ka na maya sa amin.
I'm not
Kwento
sure.
mo.
Parang second or third girlfriend niya to.
Okay lang kung di mo mabilang.
Actually, hindi.
Tanggap
Gagi.
namin.
Kwento ko lang kay Esa na to. Nung New Year.
Kilala ko
kasi
yun. Kilala ko
nagkakwento
yung
kami
ex
ng
na
mga kwentuang ex yan.
Kilala ko yung
Hindi.
ex. Okay.
Eto, anyway, I found out this ex was nag-cheat siya eh.
Oh.
She was still seeing her ex. We were together for about a year and 8 months.
Okay. And she was still seeing her ex.
This is how I found out. So college ako. Punta ako sa bahay niya. I think I came from work that night. Ay, hindi, or something. Basta dumating ako mga, I think, 9 p.m. Sakto, magkapasok ko sa bahay nila. Kasi medyo yung mom niya medyo mas cool, no? So, pwede tumambay sa bahay nila. Mom ko very...
Strict.
As an Indian mom, you know, what are you doing? Why is there a woman in the house?
Mga Bollywood.
Kasi
Oo.
pag mga 7 p.m., on yung switch ng ilaw.
Para umuwi na.
Para umuwi ka na, girl!
Umuwi ka na. Oo.
Diba?
Cute ni tita.
Oo, the only thing open after 8 p.m. is a pair of legs. Oh my God. So anyway, so, pasok ako sa bahay nila. The brother, who medyo close ko rin, hindi ko ako nadulas or something. Sabi niya, oh, Kuya Sam, sakto dito kakakalis lang ni ganyan.
Oh, stop it right now. So, hindi alam jowa. Akala niya parang friend.
Hindi alam niya na ex, baka nadulas lang siya. Si girl nasa second floor.
Baka sinadya. Hindi kaya.
Anyway, I was like, oh, so he was here and now, like a few minutes ago.
Oh, no.
So pakit ako ng I didn't know if I was supposed to confront her. Kasi shocked pa ako eh.
Yeah.
Shocked pa ako nun. Sabi ko, tangina pa. Kailangan ba sabihin ko sa kanya, ano ginagawa ng ex mo dito? A few minutes before I arrived.
Okay.
But anyways, hindi mo na ako nag-confront. I just said I had to go home. Then I eventually confronted after a week.
So, how did you act during that week?
It was so hard. I was kind
How
of
could you fake
I
it?
was faking it. I was like faking na parang alam ko pero
Hindi mo alam.
oo.
Parang nagtatanga-tangahan ka. Oo.
Anyway, nag-deny muna siya tapos inamin namin niya eventually. Tapos sabi niya nag-hangout lang daw sila. Walang tao sa bahay nun.
Ay,
Hangout.
anong hangout ang ginagawa?
Yun nga.
Pag
Oo.
walang tao sa
But
bahay.
of course, God knows what had happened
Yes.
that night.
Nag-pray lang.
Wala, diba? Pero hindi
Prayer meeting.
pero hindi lahat na nakaload, nagdadasal, ha?
Oo, tama.
Alam niyo yan. Ito na.
Imagine, pero kung jowa ko, parang ayoko talaga
Ako
pag-isip
minsan
ko,
nakahiga,
ayoko.
nagpe-pray ako eh.
Ayun,
Tama
diba?
kasi sinabi mo hindi lahat na nakaluhod
Correct.
na dadasal.
Tsaka kanya-kanyang prayer form. So anyway.
How young are you during that time?
Oh, man.
20, 19,
yeah,
ganyan.
yeah, around that time. So anyway, eventually I broke up with her kasi sabi ko, whatever
I can't.
happened, kayo na may alam nun. Wala na akong pakialam kung ano man nangyari. Sabi ko, the mere fact na, he's been going pala to the house, hindi ko alam. Sabi ko, okay. And then, when meron kami parang 2 months na, or a month na parang, sige, that's cool. Na syempre, awa-awa, text, they'll miss you, so sorry. So I went to see her again. And then, ito medyo crazy to. So, we were trying to patch things up. Pero na-realize ko when I saw her again after that month, ayoko na.
Yeah.
Kasi minsan parang bibigyan mo pa ng
Chance.
May last
Baka.
look.
Oh, yun,
ang
last
tawag ko
look.
dyan eh.
Kung may first look, meron ka ring last
Last
look eh.
okay.
Parang alam mong, minsan nga,
Last sex.
yun nga, iniisip
Okay,
mo rin
okay.
kung iisa ka pa.
Yun nga.
Diba?
Sayang din naman. Ganyan.
One for the road.
Oh, yun, one for the road. My God, that's it. Kung one for the road
For all
ka.
time's sake.
Oh.
For all time's sake.
Diba?
My God, yung one for the
One
road.
for the road.
Okay.
Alam nyo na yung pag one for the road to eh. Anyway.
So, naka one for the road.
So anyway, pagpa-uwi, eto yung wild. I don't know why she had a bulb, light bulb, bumbilya, sa parang one of the shelves. Kinuha niya, binasag niya. Ginanon niya dito. Sabi niya, if you walk out the door, I'm gonna slash myself.
Okay. Alam mo, ginawa din sa akin yun. Takot ako, be. Pero
Oy! At that moment,
My God.
takot tsaka parang split decision moment kaya kasi parang,
Anong gagawin ko?
Oo.
Ganon.
Parang creepy.
creepy,
actually,
pero,
Takot ako, pero
pero parang no. Pero parang no eh.
parang naglalaban yung utak ko eh.
Okay. Wala na talaga. Parang gusto ko na talaga, hindi ko na kaya. Pero, wag ka, kasi hindi ko na, pag ituloy niya, kasalanan mo rin.
So, umalis ka ba?
O talaga na gano'n. Bahala ka. Sige, do what you wanna do. Wala na akong pakialam. So I walked out. Nagpe-pray ako. Lord, please, wag naman. Wag naman,
Matindi
Lord.
nito. Ikaw yung huling kasama.
Oo, ikaw yung last touch eh.
So baka ikaw pa, oh my God, masisisi ka nga.
Siyempre, oo. Kaya yung split decision parang, okay.
Pero uso kasi yun dati. Tingnan mo,
Kaya.
si Danny na-experience niya din yun. May mga ganyang breakups talaga before.
Merong wild.
Sobrang uso yan
Feeling
dati.
ko na mga bata, yun ang attack sa'yo eh, para
Oo,
hindi ka iwanan
correct.
But
talaga.
I saw her pa a few times. Kasi I've seen all my exes in either a wedding I've hosted or an event I've
Yeah.
hosted.
Oh.
Sabi ko, boy ka pa. Ganun talaga yung joke ko sa kanya. Anyway,
So are you though friends with your ex? Do you believe that you can be friends with your ex?
Oh, wow. Ilan ka kahaba itong podcast natin?
No, I want to know because, you know, I've been asked this many times. I always answer,
No, ako no. No. No.
Di ba sabi nila,
No.
Ang daming no.
No.
di ba there's that saying, if you can still be friends with your ex, either you guys were, ano yun, parang may something pa. or-
So,
or
Friends ka sa mga ex mo? Meron kang ex mo na kaibigan mo? Oh, no din eh. Huwag ka
Grabe.
nang umano.
Mahirap.
Of course, I'm civil, like, but I'm not gonna text them and check up on them.
Yes,
Oh, kamusta ka
or
na?
hang out.
Correct. O tara, hang out tayo,
really
kape
weird.
tayo, yeah.
Oo. Parang
I
kakilala
wouldn't
lang.
do that. Oo naman.
Oo. Kung makita mo, di babatiin mo. Hindi mo naman babastusin.
Yes.
eh,
Oh.
right?
Or like,
Oo.
okay, so what's
Oo
your
naman,
opinion on those who can actually be friends with
There's
their ex?
unfinished business.
Really? Feeling ko din eh. Kasi how can you stay in the same room with someone you have so much memories with and then you have to pretend like you're new friends? Like, never kayo nagkakilala, never kayo nag-sex, never kayo
Although-
na parang walang nangyari,
Oo.
no?
Although, meron
Meron
ako makilala
talaga
who can do it. May kilala ko.
Oo
may-
nga eh. May mga tao kasi kaya talaga.
Either.
Ako hindi ko
Ako
kaya.
parang feeling,
Like platonic, kaya nila
Oo,
orin.
oo.
Ko kaya eh.
Kaya lang mag-delete ng memory.
ako
Yes.
pakiramdam ko kaya nila maging friends pag hindi sobrang seryoso yung relasyon.
Yun nga daw,
Or
either...
hindi bad ang breakup. What do you
No,
think?
no, hindi seryoso. Kasi even if
Hindi ganun
maganda
kalalim.
even if maganda yung breakup, parang ang hirap naman to be in one room.
Kaya
Inuman
nga
tayo.
eh.
Ano tayo?
Kaya,
Like,
yeah.
I like,
Tapos appear na lang tayo
ano
ngayon, ha?
may isip mo nun na ito yung
Ang
dati
hirap,
kong
ang hirap
Hindi eh.
for
So
me.
parang for me, baka hindi masyadong malalim yung
Relationship. So, is that like a determination if you can't, that means malalim kasi yung naging relationship?
Ako, in my
So,
opinion,
you
in
believe
my
that?
opinion,
Yeah.
yes.
But that
Oo.
actually makes sense.
Yeah.
Even if you would say na, wala na akong pakialam dyan, regrets and shit, but in a way na parang, okay, kaya hindi kita kaya to be in the same room is because I feel that maraming feelings na babalik. Kasi yung sa ex ko, hindi feelings of love eh. It's parang trauma, yung parang gumagana
Hate,
sa
lahat na.
sistema
Oo,
mo na.
oo, oo.
Pag nakikita mo siya, I was like, what the fuck? Like, bumabalik yung galit.
Kahit okay ka
Kahit
na, no?
okay ka na, masaya ka na, parang you just
Gets
hate
kita
the
dyan.
reminder of
Yup.
your life.
You don't hate the guy.
Or the age,
pero
or the stage of life.
you don't wanna remember those days na pina-feel niya sa'yo, di ba?
Yes. Ano naman yung moments ever in a relationship that you, now that, ay, sige, older and wiser and you guys are already married and stable lives na meron kayong nagawa in the past that you now realize that, you know what, I should not have done that. I should have been a better guy. I should have been a better girlfriend. Like, ano yung mga ganong lecheng moments na naisip niya na hindi ka nga dapat ginawa yun. Mali ako doon. Yung ganon.
Marami akong ganyan.
Alam ko.
At least aminado.
Feeling ko siya
Okay.
madami.
At least aminado. Oo.
You know why? Kasi I was, at one stage in my life, I was single for 11 years.
Wow, ang tagal.
Yes.
Was that by choice?
Eto na nga, I'll get to it.
Oh, okay.
Kasi
Maganda yung kwento niyan.
it will answer, I think, the question that you're asking. I went through a phase in life where I think peak din to ng boys night out. No? So, I broke up with my ex at that time. And then, I enjoyed being single so much. Not that I was, sleeping around or anything, It's just because I created a bubble for myself.
True.
A self-sustaining system
Yeah.
na
Okay na ako.
I'm happy. I don't need to text anyone that I'm home. I don't need to report to anyone. I'm just happy being myself. I don't want anybody to enter that space I've created.
Yeah.
It was selfish, but it was working so well for me.
Yeah.
And so,
It's not selfish if it was working for you.
well, I think so also. So every time, but I'd go out on dates. And minsan, I date somebody for a number of times na baka medyo napa-lead on siya.
Umasa.
Oo.
Okay.
Which I think naman, baka rin na I started to care, with all due respect. Maybe I started to care also.
Okay.
Pero meron akong point na whenever I think na,
Malapit na papunta.
yes, to myself.
Baka
Bumibitaw
Oo.
siya. Eh di pinaasya mo nga.
Parang ganun nga. Kaya nga, I probably
So
am
yun-
not
yun-
proud of
oh,
those
yan.
moments.
Oo.
Yeah.
Because looking back and analyzing myself, it was parang
You don't like that
it's
version
only
of
to be
yourself,
selfish,
oo.
pero huwag ka na mandamay ng iba.
Yes. Agree.
Oo, tapos parang,
Pero I don't think it's your fault. Parang, I don't think sinasadya mo eh. Hindi mo naman sinasadya. It's
Parang
just
defense
that,
mechanism
yun
eh.
nga eh. Oo,
I have
parang,
a feeling
yeah.
you dating was you trying to get out of the
Oh, yun
Maybe,
na nga
maybe.
eh.
And then
True.
when you felt like, okay, this is getting real, you retreat.
I get scared.
Yes.
Kasi kay Elsa, di ka naman nag-retreat, right?
Oh.
You're just waiting for the right
That's
one.
a good next question for you. What made Essa different from the other dates that you would hold back? But kay Essa, hindi ka nag-hold back?
Oh, actually, it was very, very different. Kasi, umpisa pa na enjoyed talking to her so much. She was very passionate about, about what she was, whenever she says something, she was very intellectual. And, parang you'd feel the connections. It's on a much deeper level than just,
Hindi lang surface.
hindi lang surface. So I think doon pa lang medyo iba na. Although, I got turned down 8 times.
Oo.
Wow.
Kinabog yung 3 times ni Javi, girl.
8.
Oo.
I love this for her. I love this for her.
And ano rin siya, parang I'd message, let's say, 9 in the morning. Oh,
Wala ring
May
reply.
magandang movie mamaya. Manonood natin. The Wolverine or whatever.
Ano nire-reply niya nga?
Eto malapit, magre-reply siya, 10 p.m. Oh shit, I just saw my phone.
Eme lang yun.
Alam ko.
I'm sure it's just Eme.
I love that.
Alam ko.
I love that for her.
You know what's even more, hindi ko yata nakwento to eh. Anyway, what's even more interesting is, finally, it's always tricky, yung parang point na gusto mo na tumawid from
Being
date.
friends.
Hindi, parang may tawid muna from hanging out
Getting to know.
to dating na
Oo.
parang sige, exclusive tayo bago maging kayo, diba? So parang tinatawid ko yung point na hangout kami. Gusto ko sabihin na I'm really interested, to date you, and like, sinabi ko sa kanya yon. Sabi niya, talaga? Shucks.
Ano sabi niya? Oh no.
Hindi mo sinabi I'm dating somebody else.
Oh my God. I really love her. Now I want to meet her.
Mahaba ang hair
That's
niya dun sa
insane.
part.
Kailangan mo
Now I
meet-
want to meet her.
kailangan mo meet si Esa.
That's wow, woman energy. Like,
Grabe.
Grabe.
Grabe. In fairness,
So, mga ilang dates
yung
na to
woman
bago niya
energy
sinabi?
Pare, mga
Divine
100.
feminine.
Mga
I love it.
200.
Grabe.
Nalit ako.
Ilang dates
Hindi ako
yun?
nagyosin. Hindi ako nagyosin nito.
Oo.
Ay, kasi nag-date ng yosin 7-Eleven dito. Oh, pare.
Ano sinagot mo doon? That's ang hirap
Ano
sumagot
sasabihin mo?
doon.
Ano sabihin mo?
mo?
Oh, okay. I'm gonna have a cigarette now. I don't smoke, but let me have a cigarette.
Wala na lang din nasabi.
Wait, was she really dating someone or she just wanted to turn you down that
She was
time?
dating someone.
Oh my God. So how did it come about then? So what made her go on a date with you finally?
she was with her friends even that night. Sumunod lang ako. I think her friends convinced her. Hindi, alam ko, mahabang kwento to. Pero anyway, yung company niya, gusto akong kuhanin na host.
Ayun
gusto
na.
magka-discount.
So,
siya yung alay.
siya yung inalay.
So she went out on a date. with me.
Matalino yung company.
Correct.
Matalino. Nag-work. Okay.
So,
How
nabigyan
about
ng
you?
discount.
Nabigyan. Siyempre, siya humingi eh.
And the rest is history. Kahit 8 times na turn down.
Maybe, is it because pag sa lalaki ba? Kasi di ba may ugali tayong ganyan na, okay, kala nyo kayo lang ang pwedeng magganyan, magdangle ng ganyan, tas kami lang yung mag-aabang na.
No, babae
Ano?
kaya madanggil.
Ako kasi hindi ako ganon, kay Javi lang ako naging ganon. Ikaw ba
Hindi
ganon
rin
ka?
ako. Pag hindi ko bet, di ko bet.
Kasi divine feminine si
Oo.
Esay.
Pero feeling
Ikaw,
ko, so feeling ko sometimes pabebe lang yung girls. Like siya sa'yo, may image ka kasi before sa boys night out eh. So maybe gusto ka niya, pero dahil may image ka,
Kaya protektahan niya yung sarili
Oo.
niya.
I swear, she did not even know what Boys Night Out was.
Oh!
She was not a listener.
Oh, that's interesting.
Oh!
So talagang ano niya yun, personality niya yun. Respect. Sana
Oo.
ganun din ako, to be honest.
Hashtag respect.
Yes,
True,
hashtag
true.
respect. But then, di ba kasi guys, sometimes sila yung okay, di kita yung situationship, yung
Laban bawi.
laban-bawi, di ba? Ang
Mas sila-
babae, barely ganyan eh, pero meron.
Meron.
Meron
ganyan.
din.
What's your take naman on situationships? I really wanna hear from you guys.
Oh.
Kasi ibang generation
Ano bang
ang
tawag doon nung panahon
situationships
natin?
eh.
Hindi situationship.
Parang
MU.
fuck buddy ang tawag.
Hindi, bago
MU.
magka-MU pa lang.
MU.
Tapos naging fuck buddy. Tapos
Oo.
naging situationship.
Kami, nung asawa ko, fubo kami before.
Oh, well, ang FUBO ba is pwedeng maging friends?
Proud talaga no. Hindi ako proud mapanood to ng
Maging
anak ko. Pero naamin ko naman na
Di pwede ba maging friends ang FUBO?
Hindi.
Hindi for you.
Ang dami ko
Okay, hindi mo. Okay ka lang, girl. Tubig ba kailangan? Hindi.
Hindi pwede.
Kailangan tubig to. Kalma, tayo lang naman nandito.
Hindi.
Relax lang, tayo lang naman nandito.
Fubo, pwede.
Pwede ba maging friends?
Fubo, oo, yes.
Pwede.
Sorry, nalito lang ako. Oo, pwede maging
Pwede.
friends.
So magandang tanong, paano kayo naging
Pero-
FUBO to a real relationship?
Parang sa'yo, sa bar din kami nagkakilala, syempre.
Hindi, paano yung tawid?
Paano yung tawid? What was the transition?
Okay, tapos
Paano?
na yung Fubu
sige
era,
na,
ano na tayo?
Ano ba ginagawa ng mga tao pag nagpupunta sa bar? Hahanap ng aura.
Oh.
Okay,
Right?
and then,
Like,
yes.
I mean, single ako nung time na
Yes.
yon, so medyo heartbroken sa tatay ng anak ko. Yung bar near ABS-CBN, Tides, wala
Yung
na yata
tapat.
ngayon.
Yung tapat,
Wala na
oh.
yata ngayon. So anyway, doon ko siya na-meet. He's out with his friends. Tapos, yung isang harot kong friend, type na type siya. Nasa kabilang table. Na Becky. Becky friend ko.
Okay.
So, may isa kaming friend na lasing na, pinalapit namin doon sa table nila. Okay, yung guy na yun, tawagin mo, papalipatin mo dito. Siya, as, alam mo na,
Gusto ko yung
pok-pok.
parang table lang.
Yes.
Yung
I
type
love
ko yan.
that.
Palipatin mo
I
sa
love
table
that.
natin.
Gives a lot of memories.
Siya as
Okay.
maharot,
Dito yan.
lumapit naman sa table namin.
And then?
Pero during that time, may girlfriend siya.
Oh.
Pero hindi ko alam.
Alam ko itong kwento to.
Oo, hindi ko alam. Nalaman ko na lang nung umuwi na yung girl dito.
Hala,
And
pinakilala
we've been
sa'yo.
dating for mga 6 months na.
Parang lagi
hindi
ka
pinakilala
nagiging
sa
biktima
akin.
nito, no? Biktima ka nito.
Sobrang girl loving. Malala yung sa akin.
Yeah.
Oh, tapos, teka, tapos di ba umuwi si girl?
Umuwi si girl pero hindi kami nag-meet. Umuwi dahil hindi na siya nire-replyan nung asawa ko ngayon. Yung asawa ko na ngayon.
Oh
Hindi
my
na
God.
nagre-reply.
And then, okay, so paano kayo nag-usap after being FUBUs for a certain time? Like, okay.
Hindi nyo pinag-usapan na magiging fubo kayo.
Nangyayari
alam ko lang
na lang.
in my mind, and even siya, nung nag-usap kami, alam niya na fubo lang kami, fubo niya ako kasi hindi
Yes.
pa naman seryoso eh.
Oo.
Parang siguro, after namin mag-meet dun sa bar na yon, pupuntahan niya ako, wala muna ulit nangyari. Siguro mga 4 na beses nung pang-4 na date namin.
Yeah. Mm-mm.
Bigla na lang, dinala ko dun. Alam mo na, kung
Yeah.
saan. Oo.
Yung hindi
Diba?
magkakulay yung tsinelas.
Correct.
Malito yung
Dinala
sabon
ko
na
dun.
white.
Eh di ako naman, as alam mo na, kabataan days.
Oo, naku po.
Di syempre,
Group study muna, group
nung
study.
una ang ayak, kape.
Oo.
Oh, sarado yung coffee shop.
Ano
Ah,
gagawin?
sige, yun gagawin.
Pag hindi magkakape,
Oh,
ano
di-
na?
Ito ang linya. Wait lang, can I just say, wait lang, gago.
Bored
Gago.
Bored.
Teka, bare all talaga tong podcast na to. Hayop na
Yung
yan.
kapihan.
Hindi mo na ganon. Ito ang linya ng mga
Oh,
lalaki.
ano?
Ang linya ng mga lalaki, pagod ako, tulog tayo.
Yan.
Oh,
Daw.
tama mali.
Yan daw.
Gago, tama
Yan
mali.
daw.
Tama mali.
Oh,
Yun
hindi.
madalas ang linya nila.
Nakakaloka. Pero alam na natin naman na yun.
Alam na natin.
Kasi hindi ka
Tayo
naman magre-react na.
Yes. Ay, ba't tayo natutulog sa utak nila. I mean, no, initial reaction tayo natutulog. So, syempre, alam mo na.
Alam mo na.
Tunang hapon, girl. Ano ba?
Nap muna tayo,
Ano to,
nap.
power nap?
Correct.
Pero power nap, mas pagod ka?
So,
Gago
doon
ka ba?
nag-start. Di ba? Doon nag-start. Inaya ka, natulog daw. Pagdating nyo, hindi naman kayo natulog.
Natulog, yes.
Naulit na matutulog kayo, pero hindi kayo natutulog. Pero like in my mind, siguro mga first 3 na gano'n namin, nasa utak ko sinasabi ko sa mga friends ko,
Wala to.
hindi ko jujuwain to, hindi ko to seseryosohin. Kasi una sa lahat, alam kong babaero.
Yeah.
Hindi naglalabas ng phone. Like the entire time that we're together. So alam kong may tinatago to.
Oh, shit.
Wala din daw siyang Facebook. So like in my mind, okay, masarap si kuya, yummy si kuya, di go.
Pero parang imposible.
Di ba? Di go.
Hindi, ito nga.
As
Paano
harot,
paano nga yung
single,
tawid?
go.
Paano nga yung tawid? Ano yung conversation na, okay, tama na to, gusto ko na kitang seryosohin.
Wala kaming ganong usap. It's just that
It happened.
Iba na yung ginagawa niya, iba na yung effort niya. Hindi ka na
May
hindi
love
ka na
na, may
dadalhin
love
doon,
na.
dinadala ka na sa bahay. Yung mga ganon.
Pinapakilala ka na.
Oo, dadaling ka sa bahay. Yung mga ganong
May
level
breakfast
na.
na after.
Yes, yan. Papakilala ka na sa workmates, ganong level na. So,
Kasi dati, di ba, yung kapag fubu lang kayo tapos separate ways.
Yeah.
Hindi na kayo nagpe-pillow talk. Wala,
Wala
nang
na,
ganyan.
wala na yun.
Pero ngayon, iba na ang kabataan.
Paano daw?
Yun kaya siya nagiging situationships.
Paano siya?
Like, they do the deed. And then they still text, they
Bonding.
still hang out, they bond. Tapos, they see other people. Like, it's a very complicated situation.
What do you mean they see other people? They'll still sleep with other people.
Yeah, situationship kasi hindi kayo, pero you do things.
Oh.
so mas casual talaga.
Super casual.
Hindi, like ngayon, super casual.
Since wala naman kayong relationship, you get to still
Yeah.
date around. If you wanna sleep with another person, parang iba yung nagiging meaning ng situationship compared to the time na fubu. Ito lang gagawin natin, goodbye. Tapos tawagan ka na kita kung alam mo yun.
Ito
Diba?
parang fubu with some extra care.
Yes. That's why
Fubu
it's,
with extra care?
Oh, pero fubu with care.
that's
Paano
why
yun?
it's called,
Explain. Ano yun?
that's why it's
Paano?
called situationship.
Paano kasi gano'n ang care? Di nga kayo nagpi-pillow talk. Nagsisex
Hindi, meron
lang
na.
kayo.
Meron na.
Meron na ngayon.
Meron na.
Kaya nga ito yung parang premium.
Yes.
So wait,
Kumbaga, Fubu Pro Max. Fubu Pro Max ka, girl.
Wait.
Diba? Parang,
Okay, explain.
Prinomax ako. Ano Prinomax? Tanga na pinilot
may
ako
kasamang
matapos.
pillow talk, may
kadel.
kasamang text after.
Yes.
Oh.
Tapos nag-hangout kayo.
Yun, may Pro Max.
Sige, kaya siya situationship kasi it doesn't, parang, paano ba? Hindi kayo magjowa pero you do
Does this,
jowa
have,
thing.
does this have to be declared na, oy, situationship lang to ah?
No, parang it's an
No.
unspoken thing.
Oo,
Unspoken
no.
thing. Kaya nga sabi ko before, it was so uncomplicated. Like, now it becomes complicated. That's why I was asking, di ba yung paano naging transition?
Yeah,
Ito,
kasi-
wala. Minsan nga, tapos na lang yung reply, hindi na lang magre-reply.
So may mga success
tapos
stories
na.
din sa situation.
Meron din.
Oh, diba? Right,
That
right.
eventually, or some people na parang meron silang tinatry i-date tapos hindi nila makuha. So ito na lang muna. Reserve.
Oh, yun. Yun naman, it's just another term for it. Pero yung breadcrumbing,
Back
di ba?
burner.
Oh, yun.
Ay, back burner, di ba? Oh, may ganun.
Parang
Ang
pampainit lang to.
dami
Ito yung ano mo, sa basketball, ito yung anong bench warmers mo, di ba?
Yes.
Hindi pa ako pinapasok yung first five eh. Ay, pasama yung terms natin eh. Ito, hindi pa ako first five, bench warmer muna.
Tabangers.
Parang back burner reserve ka. Pag hindi niya nakakausap yung gusto niya, ikaw.
Correct.
Sakit naman
Ganon.
yun.
Ang sakit, di ba?
Sakit yun.
So yung, gusto ko nga malaman yung take nyo sa situationships ngayon. Iba nakakabataan
Ako
ngayon.
parang feeling ko,
Pro Max na
Pro
ngayon.
Max kasi ngayon.
hindi, nagugulat lang ako na,
Dati may iPhone ka, ilang gig, yun lang eh. Ngayon, ano yan, Pro Max? Oh. Diba?
I feel okay lang ang situationship. Kasi parang yun pala yung term namin ni Mike before.
Yes.
Oo.
Kasi nagde-date kayo, tapos
I mean, if
maalis
you're both
kayo.
single, okay lang. Walang problema. Wala. Pero dapat, aware ka na may
Yeah.
Dapat
possibility.
ba may understanding?
No.
Dapat
Hindi
ba pag-usapan
talaga eh.
yun?
No.
It's a weird conversation to have.
No.
Like, how do I tell
Hindi
you
dapat.
na, ota, ano lang tayo, situationship.
No,
I'm not really
hindi.
invested in you. Kasi if somebody tells me that, medyo,
Out ka na.
oo, parang, di ba?
So, dapat parang understanding
unless,
na lang.
parang, but I guess no, I guess for some
Unless
people,
you
okay na
guys
sila
are
with that, eh.
friends,
Yeah.
tas naging fubo kayo. Pwede din naman ganon. Pwede niyong pag-usapan yun.
Does that make any, for you, does that ruin friendships?
Oo naman.
Yung fubu line can't go back. Once you cross it.
Definitely.
You can't be friends anymore.
Based on your personal experience.
Hindi. Hindi. Tawag dito, back to you, hindi. Feeling ko, pag fubu, maybe you can be friends, pero hindi, it won't be the same. It will
the
maybe you
closeness.
can, maybe it can be the same, but it won't be as close as you were before.
Siguro friends, tas naging fubu, tas naging friends ulit. May possibility yun for me. kesa yung malalim na relationship, tapos
Oo.
magiging friends.
Tapos magiging friends.
Kasi pwede mag-usap yung dalawang friends, sabi, nangati lang tayo.
Sa bagay.
Tantanan natin girl.
Oo.
Ano ba? Mga bagets tayo no, nagkainuman
Pero
lang.
parang
Nangati
meron din
lang
naman akong
tayo
experience
eh.
na naging friend ko pa din.
'Di ba? Mas madali 'yun eh. I don't know, baka sa mga babae ganun yata.
Yes.
Mas invested tayo, mas di natin kaya.
No, kasi nagka-understanding kaming dalawa.
'Di ba? Right?
Malungkot
right.
ako, malungkot ka.
Yan,
Ito lang,
ganyan.
friends tayo after.
Tapos okay na okay kayo
okay.
afterwards.
Okay na okay kami
Yan.
afterwards. Naulit lang ulit, pero
Oo.
naging friends pa rin
Oo.
naman kami. But di wala awkwardness.
Kala ko malungkot.
Mas doon
malungkot talaga ako. Malungkot ka rin. Tara, malungkot
Hindi,
tayo.
mas doon pinag-uusapan.
Naganap ka na lang nakadamay.
Di ba?
Mas doon pinag-uusapan kapareho ng situation na sinasabi mo.
Parang ganon. I think nagiging complicated lang talaga yan kapag nai-in love yung isa.
yeah, at
Hindi.
laging may mai-in love.
Lagi.
Believe me,
Hindi.
lagi.
I love that.
Ganito
Lagi.
Perspective.
Believe, hindi pwedeng wala. Laging merong isa, unang pipitek na may feelings na ako.
Yung complications kasi, hindi napapag-usapan.
Yes.
Pag hindi napapag-usapan, doon nagkakaroon ng complications. Kasi everything's up in the air.
That's true.
Diba? For one person, could be a situationship. For another, could be more than that.
Pero most of ng situationships, lalo kung di kayo friends, hindi talaga pinag-uusapan.
Yun nga yung tricky.
Meron nga, di ba? Meron nga gusto mong gawing situationship eh. Kaya lang,
Ayaw
hindi
mo
mo pala
i-bring
bet ka sex, so di ka na nagparamdam after.
Oo.
May mga
Yeah.
ganon.
Pwede rin nga
Oo,
yun.
Diba? Right?
Pwede rin nga.
May mga
Ang
ganon eh.
angle
Yung parang
dito.
sa utak mo, uy, parang okay to maging situationship.
Oo.
Pero nung natikman mo, ay, hindi pala.
Hindi
Di ka na
pala,
nagparamdam.
oo.
Ganyan. So, hindi mo nakakausapin yun na, hindi na ba kayo mag-break dahil wala naman
Oo,
kayo.
wala. Tapos meron pa
Oo.
yung parang, ayaw mo rin siya i-hurt. So, paparamdam ka pa minsan-minsan. Pero hindi ka naman totally mag-ghost.
Yan yung breadcrumbing.
Breadcrumbing. Ang dami ng theories ngayon, no?
Ang dami ng terms.
Ang dami ng ginawang terms na dati ginagawa naman na ng
Oo,
lahat
yeah.
ng tao.
Dinedefine lang.
Na-define na siya ngayon.